What is a turbulent flow? To understand turbulent flow, let us consider a jar filled with water. Now let us transfer this water into an empty glass. As we pour the water into the glass, we see that the water particles move in an irregular manner inside the glass. This happens till we continue pouring water from the jar. Such irregular movement of water particles is known as turbulent flow. Thus, a fluid flow, where the fluid particles move in an irregular manner, is known as a turbulent flow. Note that for turbulent flow, the Reynolds number is greater than 4000. The related terms are types of turbulent flow and eddy viscosity. Question. Remember keywords. Related terms are: remember diagram, remember definition, useful information,